Hey guys, welcome back to our channel App Tutorials. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can change your birth date on your Snapchat. So I'm going to be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. So if you have any problems or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to your Snapchat app and then log in with your account. Once you do that, just go to your profile option and then go to settings. Once you are in the settings, just go to the birthday, and now over here just choose your new birthday. So over here you can change your birthday. So just choose your year from here, the date from here, and let's say the month from here. And once you're ready, just press on continue and it will be changed. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.